back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be explaining you and demonstrating you the steps which you would need to do in order to solve the problem of waiting for Wi-Fi, waiting for network, or waiting to upload. So in this video I'll be explaining you and showing you all the steps which you need to do in order to solve these problems. There are a bunch of steps which you must do in order to solve the problems. It definitely works if you do all the steps which has been done in this video. It may also work if you even do like 2 out of the 5 steps in this video. So before moving on to the video, what I would like to say is that it will be great for me if you just click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button, and it could be great if you could just leave a thumbs up. So it could be like an encouragement for me as I'm providing this video for you guys entirely for free. So let's just not waste any more time and let's move on to the video. So right now in my screen you could see these four waiting to upload signs. So this is the error which you would face if you try to upload something in the Google Drive a few times. So what you must do is that first of all let's just go back to the drive, and as you could see, this is my drive. I'm using my Android device. So what you must do, the most preferred thing which you could do, like this single step actually solves the problem for you know like 60% of the people. So all you have to do is just go to clear cache, and the document cache will be clear, and you're gonna just click on the OK button. You just do this, your cache is gonna get cleared, and if you go and try to upload something, the documents or files may get uploaded. But if you are still facing issues after this step, there are few steps which you must follow. So I'll explain and demonstrate each and every one of those steps clearly. So the first thing which you have to do is change the cache size. So I'm gonna set it to 1000 MB. It's your wish. It may be any size, but I prefer 1000 MB. The next thing which you have to do is, if you have this setting turned on, that is the transfer files only over Wi-Fi, you're gonna turn it off. This setting, what it means is that you are actually by default, if you're uploading something in the Google Drive, only if you have a Wi-Fi connection, it's going to be uploaded. So it is the main reason for waiting for Wi-Fi or waiting for network error. So if you do this step, you could rectify both of those errors. So let's just turn it off, and then the next thing you could do, if still you are facing those errors, is that you just have to go back to minimize this app, and you are gonna have to long press this drive, and you are gonna click this I button over here. This will take you to the settings page of the drive. So in this setting page, what you have to do is that you have to go to storage, and you're gonna click on the clear cache. So right now the cache is cleared. Remember, do not clear all the data, but just clear the cache over here. So the next step which you must do is that you must go and check the permissions. So this permissions may also lead to few of the errors. So what you do is that right now only I have allowed my contacts permission. If you guys are facing issues, you could just go and to the files and media, and you could allow access to media only. So this will solve you with those errors. The next thing you have to do is that you have to turn this off. Okay. And you have to go and check out few details. You're gonna go last time I checked memory, I guess. Storage is checked. The next thing is battery. In the battery, you're gonna choose unrestricted. So what this defines is that restricted means restricted battery usage while this app is running the background. So this consumes less power. Optimized means it will optimize few of the functions of this app, but it does not restrict all the memory and battery usage. Unrestricted allows this app to freely use all the processes which it needs during the background time. So the next thing you'd have is to go to mobile data, and you're gonna choose allow data usage while data saver is on. These two options, if it's turned off, this and this, you're gonna turn it both those on. So guys, if you are still facing issues after all these steps, you could just leave your issues in the comment box below, so you could just take a look out about it. And so guys, I have another question for you guys. So you guys, if you are watching my channel from the past time, you could know what type of content I post. So if you are new to this video also, it's not going to be a problem. It is going to be good. If you guys have any tech related questions, you can just post it in the comments, so you could post videos on that topics, as I am now preferring to be tailored to the audience. So if you guys have any queries or contents which you need as a YouTube video, you could just post it. Just remember, it must be only related to tech stuff, as this is a tech channel. So once again, thank you for watching this video until the end. It would be great, like I told before, it would be great if you could just leave a thumbs up and you could just press on subscribe button and the bell button near to it. So once again, thanks for watching this video. Bye.